Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I am your trainer Khalid Mahmud. In this video, I will teach you how to create this exercise 28 step by step in AutoCAD. Whether you are a beginner or an engineering student, you can follow along and draw this exercise very easily. Don't forget to check the description for the PDF file of this drawing to practice from your side. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more amazing content. So let's get started. Step 1. Setting up the workspace. Before we begin, let's prepare our AutoCAD workspace. Open your AutoCAD and set the unit to millimeter by typing UN in the command line, pressing enter and select millimeter and press OK. Make sure your grid is turned on for the better alignment. Use the default layer for this exercise or create a new layer if required. Step 2. Draw the center circle. As you see in this image, we are going to create this center circle. So we will start with the circle on the center side. Use the circle command, C enter, click on a specific point and press a value as a diameter, D enter, 24 enter. Now again C for circle, click on same center point, D for diameter, 12, press enter. Now step 3, adding the connecting lines. Now we will add the straight line to complete the right side and left side. So using L for line command, click on the center point. You choose F8 for ortho on and put a value as a 57. Press enter. Now again select this line. Use RO for rotate command. Click on center point. C for copy. Press angle as a 120. Press enter. Now select both line. Go to properties. Check as a center line and color will be red. Now draw the bottom and up horizontal line and the same way. So use OF for offset command and choose the offset value as a 12. Press enter. Select this line downside and same as upside. Now repeat same process. Now match this line, MA for match. Select the circle to this line. Now we need to create a circle as a diameter 12. So C for circle, click on this point and D for diameter 12, press enter. Now select this circle, M for move and move left side as a 22 distance. Now create a line, L for line, from this coordinate point to this end point. As same as downside from this to this point and close these lines from here to here. Now need to trim unwanted part of this circle. So use TR double enter, trim this part and this part. If you see very carefully, we are complete these parts. We are going to create this part also. So if you see very carefully, this circle diameter will be inner 13 and outer diameter it will be 26. So step 4. Drawing the left, place the center of the first circle as a horizontal distance 57. So use C for circle, click on here, D for diameter 13, press enter and repeat same process. C for circle, from here D for diameter and put a diameter value as a 26. Press enter. Now step 5. Adding the arcs. As you see in this image, this one is an arc and also this one. So need to create first this one. Radius will be 80. Next, let's add the arcs to connect the circle. So use circle command, C for circle, TTR, enter. Click on this circle and also this circle and put a value as a 80. press enter. Now again we need to create this one. So use C for circle, TTR, enter. Click on this circle and also click on this line and put a value of radius 45, enter. Now we are going to trim unwanted lines and circles. TR, double enter, trim this one and also this one. Now also need to trim this one. If you see very carefully, you almost 80% complete this drawing. We need to trim also these circles. Now we need to add this circle as a radius 20. So C for circle, click on this center point and put a value as a radius 20. Press enter. Now trim this unwanted part. Now step 6. Adding the dimensions. As you see in this image, we need to add dimension. For diameter, DDI, enter, click here and also click here. Also for this one and this one. For add a radius, so DRA, enter, click here and also click here and click on here. And also if you want to add this circle as a radius, you can add DRA, enter, click here. Now for linear command, DLA for dimension linear, click here to here as a 24 and this one to this one as a 12. Now we need to add dimension for this line and this line. So use DAL for dimension align command, press double enter, select this circle downside as same as this one. Okay. Now step 7. Let's take a final look at our drawing to ensure everything is accurate. If you're following along, your drawing should be exactly like this. So congratulations, you are complete exercise 28. So I hope you enjoy this tutorial. If you enjoy, so don't forget to like this video to show your support and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more beginner friendly AutoCAD tutorial. And join my YouTube channel to support me get access to exclusive content. So don't forget, download the PDF file of this exercise, link in the description below. Practice and improve your skill. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Tata. Bye bye. Take care.